me. But let me explain how that works. Zero was supposed to get rid of Savage. His infatuation with Bubbles was sideshow. And when he finished Savage, he was supposed to get rid of you. Now, think about it. What would our son do, locked into the woods of Ohio, while his mother is on a slab in Kingston, Jamaica? And his father, me, don't know him there. So you would have our child being raised as an orphan by some white people?
I'm sorry.
So am I, sweetheart. So am I.
David.
Everyone deserves a second chance. Mullins has been good to all of it, including you, whether you want to believe it or not. So may I advise you, go sit down and talk to him.
Angie, time for talking done. You understand? Action, that me a deal with you now.
Savage, be careful.
You know, I like you know, a lot. You're a strong-willed woman with a lot of morals and values. Because anyhow you ever try to stand up in my way, I will see you as the enemy.
If you leave after your reservation and go rogue again, and go after the man with me love and respect as a father figure, me go see you as a traitor. And me tell you, Raymond Savage, me will personally come after you.
That just said?
And you never stop.
Verily, verily. See Anthony. One of you betray me. Yes, you can consider this last supper.
Bubbles. Bubble. I hear you. But sometimes you never know how far you can go till you're done gone too far. No, I haven't seen him. And I'm not going to hold my breath either. If he arrives, he arrives. If he doesn't, what can I tell you? Time may have crept up on our togetherness. It's a pity. Okay. Can we call you back?
Mm-mm.